No, don't. This is gonna make it in the video. You know that, right?
No.
Because this is gonna make it in the video.
They'll
because
cut it out.
No, they won't.
Yeah,
you want to know why? Because hey, everybody, William here, and
Sarah.
you guys, this is my YouTube channel where I tell you I'm the top 1.73% for Remax in the world. All that stuff. I talk about I'm on a team for Remax Results Good Life Group. Here's the real brains of the operation.
And I'm coming on.
That's you. That's you.
Yay!
Yay! I don't use my hands. Sarah, you asked me to change my shirt before this. Why?
I sure did.
Why?
So you could be a little bit more professional.
What have we learned about me so far on this channel, y'all?
You're not professional.
But I'm
A professional.
Hell yeah, girl. All right. That was well done. All right, so I wanted to bring Sarah on here because we have a big, hairy, audacious goal. And I'm going to keep this real quick, you guys. This is actually a real estate recruiting post video.
Post one.
And I'm not going to do too many of these on this channel. You know, I always told you I'll be raw, authentic, real with you. Well, we're looking to grow our real estate team.
And I'm really excited about it. And as you can see, I'm more of like the professional, where Will is a professional.
Yeah. Absolutely. Well, the beautiful thing is there's space for both of us, in this world and what we do, and we have very distinct roles. Sarah is a lot more agent facing. She is the one that you have, if you're an agent, you have your weekly team meetings with her, your weekly, one-on-ones with her, and I tend to be more on the back side of the operations, on the implementing side of things. Y'all know I'm a data nerd. I love metrics and measuring and all that stuff.
If you want to feel good, you're going to come to me. If you want to have accountability, you're going to go to Will.
Yep.
And here's the beauty of it. We actually need both.
We do.
So we need to feel good, but we also need accountability. And so together, between the two of us, we're going to give you the total package. We've also been selling real estate. Well, I've been selling real estate for 8 years.
I'm going on 10 years, yeah.
But I was with Will from
on
his
my very first showing. My very first showing, it was a foreclosure. The door was kicked in. We had to call the sheriff.
Police. So just so you know, we've got lots of experience, lots of ups, lots of downs, and honestly, I am so excited to go forward in this market and hopefully be able to teach and train other agents that want to succeed as well.
That's what a professional sounds like. What a professional sounds like is we kick a lot of ass. We're really, really good at this. If you want to have a conversation about possibly getting into real estate, I'm going to be very honest, super honest. We're not looking for newbies. Like, I want to be real. Like, I don't lie. If you're in the business and you're stuck, you're hitting a plateau, and you want to go from that 10 units to 20 units, from that $50,000 a year in gross commission income to $150,000, you guys know what my goal is. You know what our goal is. Our goal is $1 million GCI personally, gross commission income. Like, we're unapologetically saying that out there. So if you want to increase your capacity to earn more money, that's us.
And Will said we're not looking for newbies. Here's the deal. We're looking for people who want to do a minimum of 10 deals per year.
Yep.
We're looking for people who want to be successful and run their business.
Yes.
We're looking for people who are achievers.
Yep.
We're not just looking for people to like do a clock and like clock in, clock out.
Get the hell out of here. We don't need that.
That isn't how we are. We're motivated, driven individuals who are goal oriented. And if that sounds like you or sounds motivating to you, set up a meeting with us. We'd love to connect.
In my terms, we're badass sons of bitches who are here to kick some ass.
And this is why there's two of us.
Absolutely, absolutely. In all seriousness, if you're watching this and you're like, hey, that sounds like a good idea, Sarah's contact info will be in the show notes. Otherwise, sarah@agoodlifegroup.com. That's with an H, not without an H. Those people are weird. And my email is william@agoodlifegroup.com. Now, I know Adam, my producer, always says, keep them on YouTube. Sure, you can comment below. But we know there's some
Sometimes you want to have a confidential conversation.
Confidentiality.
And so if that is you, just give me an email and we can have that confidential conversation.
Absolutely.
All I can say is we're a quarter away from 2025. And I don't know about you, but I'm ready to kick some ass. And so let's go.
3 snaps and around the world.
That was 3 snaps.
And then around the world.
Oh, I've not done that one.
Or, yeah, there it is.
With like some sassy lips.
Yeah. This is what you get, y'all. Appreciate you all very, very much. Thanks for watching. As always, be safe out there. We out. Deuces.